찾을 거야. 그게 바로 내 꿈일 테니까 변한 건 없어. 버티고 버텨. 내 꿈은 더 단단해질 테니 다시 시작해.
Everybody know we are going to make seblak. But first of all, let us introduce ourselves.
First, my name is Hendira Hartono.
And my name is Vanessa Laura.
And my name is Jesslyn.
Before we cook, let's go see the ingredients.
The ingredients we need are 4 curly chilies, 3 bird's eye chilies, 6 cloves of garlic, 5 cloves of red onion shallot, 2 aromatic ginger, chili powder, tofu and meatballs, indomie noodle, crackers that have been soaked in hot water for 20 minutes, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, half teaspoons of masako, 600 milliliters of water, and last is cooking oil. First, add the curly chilies, bird's eye chilies, garlic, shallot, red onions, and aromatic ginger which have been peeled or cleaned using drinking water into the blender. And then blend until everything is smooth. After that, heat a skillet with a little cooking oil first. If it's hot, pour the spices that have been smoothed into the hot oil. Saute until smells good. After that, add 600 ml of water. While pouring the water, stir until the seasonings are well mixed with the water. Then, break 2 eggs and stir until lightly cooked. After that, add salt, sugar, and masako. Stir until mixed well. And then insert chili powder until it's reddish. Stir until mixed well. After that, add the indomie noodle and cook until half cooked. Then, add the tofu and meatballs. Stir until mixed well. Pour the crackers and stir until mixed well. Also, you can put the vegetables if you like to and cook until everything are done. Now the seblak is ready to be served.
First, my name is Hendira Hartono. Hartono. Aja Hartono, suka-suka kalian lah pokoknya. Jangan aku suka, aku kayak dia lu suka. Kayak mereka kain rambut